Hey friends, you are welcome to the most exciting part of our Fiverr tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can be able to add our bank account to our Fiverr account so that we can start receiving money immediately people patronize or buy our products. You know what I mean? So without further ado, let's dive in. And please, as I've always been saying from the beginning of this video, don't just watch this tutorial, make sure you are doing something with it. Just go ahead and create your account, open your gig and add your account to it, your bank account. I bet you if you can follow up every day and very well, you will be able to get someone to patronize you, and from there you start making money. So you just go ahead and do not waste time. So without further ado, let's dive into our system. So once you get to your Fiverr account, all you just need to do is to click on switch to seller. Switch to selling. You click on it and you open, and then you come to my business and you drop down the menu and you click on any. So once you get to earnings, you can see that our account is just fresh. We don't have any money yet. So you just go to manage payment method, manage payout method, as you can see. And once you get here, you click on add payout method. And you are going to ask for a verification by SMS. You click on it and then you will receive a code. So I've received a code. I'm just going to enter it. I'll submit and I'll add payout method. So I'm just going to add the paper account. Make sure you have a paper account where you can receive money in dollar wherever you get someone patronize you. I'm just going to click on it and I will continue. You can also go ahead and add Payoneer account. If you know how to create Payoneer account, you can also receive money in dollars. So you can just go ahead and do it, but we are using paper. Paper is very easy to create. Maybe as time goes on in this tutorial, we may learn how we can be able to create a paper account or any other time, but I will make sure I create a tutorial on how we can create a paper account. So you are going to add your paper account to it and click on continue. Now it said you are almost there, so you click got it. It said finish your registration by clicking on the link on your email. So now we click on got it and we go to our email. So I'm just going to go to my email. So in my email, you can see that a message has come from Fiverr. I will open it and I will click on continue below. As you can see, it has opened in another URL. So all you just need to do is to go through and you can see what was written at. You don't have enough gain for withdrawal. So now you cannot see your paper account, but immediately you receive the first payment. Maybe someone patronize you and they pay you, and then you can be able to see the payment here, and then you can be able to see your payment method, which is the paper, and then you can be able to push it through your paper account, and then you will receive your money into your paper account and then do whatsoever thing you want to do with it. Maybe from paper account push it to your normal bank account. So you have to receive money here first. So here is just like it's just like a Fiverr kind of bank kind of stuff, or a platform for receiving money, but immediately you get paid and you see the money here, and then you can be able to push it to your paper account. I believe you get the logic. So just go through how we've been able to do it now. I believe you are not going to miss anything and no money will go lost as far as the money is showing here once someone patronizes you. So I believe you get the logic and you understand. So do not waste time. You just go ahead and start this business, and I bet you are going to make profit from it. Hey friends, we've come to the end of our Fiverr tutorial. So if there are any other updates I need to share, I promise to always share and drop it on my channel. So always come to my channel and get more updates. So for you to be able to get notification at all time as I drop new video, all you just need to do is to please subscribe to this my channel. I promise to drop updates that you've always wanted, the kind of updates that will fix your life. So please subscribe to my channel and subscribe. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. As well, you can drop any appreciation comment on the comment boss. So please don't also forget to like so that other people will be encouraged to view this video as well. All right, stay cool, and please do not forget to use this video to start up. It's going to help you a lot, and Fiverr is waiting for you to have your account and start making money. So please enjoy yourself till we meet in the next tutorial. Peace out.